Hello Claudio, my name is Eduardo from Boss Moto. I'm presenting a personal video for you for the 2016 Toyota Avalon. Kilometers 77,406 and the price is 24,888. This vehicle is never been in an accident. It's clean record. It comes with the brand new tires. It's a black interior, leather interior, power seats, lumbar, recliner, power windows, locks, and power mirrors. And also you have two sets for a driver. It's all the feature on the vehicle, and as you can see, they have a heated seat, sunroof. The vehicle is available for you if you want to come take a look, and also if you want me to secure it, please give me a call. Phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacting us.